suppose the other thing, Perry, we could say as a key theme takeaway from today's session is that not re- the robots of today don't need any springs or coils or clockwork materials or levers or cam belts. That increasingly, through artificial technology and artificial intelligence and really advanced precision engineering, the potential for social robots to be self-reliant is very, very real. It's no longer imaginary. It's no longer an illusion.
Yeah, I mean, the technological platform for building robots is absolutely crucial. I mean, it doesn't matter how sophisticated the medieval watchmakers and artisans were, there were limits to what they could do with the technologies that they had. I mean, it was amazing that they produced what they did, actually. But there was a barrier there. There was a limit. Of course, with the development of electronics, with computing, of new types of materials, and now with artificial intelligence, we're seeing a huge leap in the technology basis. And as we've mentioned elsewhere, the key thing now probably is to move towards biological robots, where we actually begin to grow robots. Using biological materials, so that'll be another step. So we'll go on from the mechanical to the electronic to the biological, and that's probably where the cutting edge of robots is now. How do we grow robots?
Mm-hmm. And you've already mentioned how we've already mentioned the kind of movement from mechanical to electronic to biological, and we can see, moving towards this period of what we might call the moment of singularity, which is essentially is that we will have sentient robots. This is the theory, isn't it? That through the Internet of Things, through neural networks, that they will be able to be much more spontaneous and react in real time to prompts and conversations that we may have with them.
Yeah, I mean, robots actually are responsive now. I mean, you think back to the Mechanical Turk. I mean, there was that device had absolutely no consciousness, if you like, or no way of knowing what was being said to it or whatever. It was all done through smoke and mirrors, if you like, and the same for Electro. Had no concept of any language. If we look at robots now, they are actually responding to our language, to our speech, through speech recognition, to our emotions, to our facial expressions, to our positioning and so on, where we are vis-a-vis them and things like that. So there is genuine communication going on between the robots and us, and that's only going to get more sophisticated as artificial intelligence develops. So, the robots will know who we are, what we're thinking, what we're feeling, and where we are, and that's a long, long way from the robot dolls of Japan in the 17th century.